Hello dear children, welcome to maths class. Last day we discussed an equation to find compound interest. Do you remember what is compound interest? Compound interest means interest on interest. Okay, so this is the equation to find compound interest. That is the amount that we got from the bank if the bank calculated compound interest. If P rupees is invested in a scheme giving R percentage interest compounded annually, the amount got after n years is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. For this P is the amount we deposited, or if we take a loan from the bank, R is the rate of interest and n is the number of years. Okay, now we are going to do problems based on this section. First question, Anas deposited 20,000 rupees in a bank which pays 6% interest compounded annually. How much would he get back after 3 years? Okay, so here we need the amount got after 3 years. If 20,000 rupees is deposited at a rate of interest 6%. Okay, so what is the equation to find compound interest, or what is the equation to find out the amount if the bank calculated the compound interest? The equation is E into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Okay, R by 100 raised to n. This is the equation. So this is the equation to find compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Okay, here what are given? Yes, P is given here. What is P? Yes, P is equal to, what is the amount deposited by Anas? That is 20,000 rupees. Okay, and which pays rate of interest 6% interest. So here the R is equal to 6%. Okay, R is equal to 6%. And what about N? Yes, N is equal to 3 years. So just substitute these values in the equation, then we will get the amount after 3 years. Okay, let us substitute the values. What is P? Yes, P is equal to 20,000 into 20,000 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Okay, so 1 plus R. What is R? R is equal to 6. Okay, so 6 by 100. R is equal to 6 by 100. So 6 by 100 raised to n. Raised to n. What is n here? N is equal to 3. Okay, 3. So 20,000 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to 3 is the equation. Then how do we solve this? What is 1 plus R by 100 raised to n? That is equal to, how do we add 1 plus R by 100? That is equal to 20,000 into 20,000 into 1 plus R by 100. First simplify that bracket. What is 1 plus R by 100? 1 plus R by 100, cross multiplication method. That is 1 into 100 is equal to 100 plus 6. Okay, so 1 into 100 plus 6 by 100. So that is equal to 100 plus 6 by 100. Okay, just cross multiplication method. So 100 raised to 3. Okay, raised to 3. So how do we calculate that? 100 raised to 3. Then what about 106 by 100? 100 plus 6 is equal to 106. So that is equal to, yes, amount A is equal to, yes, 20,000 into, yes, 100 plus 6 is equal to 106, and that 106 is equal to, yes, 106 by 100. Okay, 106 by 100, 106 by 100 raised to 3. Okay, and here we can see that this 106 by 100 is a, yes, what type of a number it is? 106 by 100, that is a decimal number. So find out the value of that decimal number. What is that? 1.06, right? So we have, yes, 20,000 into, yes, 1.06. Okay, 106 by 100 is equal to 1.06, yes, raised to 3. So how do we calculate 1.06 raised to 3? Yes, that is 1.06 into 6 into 1.06 into 1.06. Okay, we can calculate that. Then finally we got the answer out. That A is equal to, yes, 20,000 into 1.1906 is equal to, yes, 23,820.32. Okay, so that is the value. Okay, 23,820.32. See here the 0.32, that is equal to 32 paise. So if the amount is or if the paise part is less than 50, the bank ignore that amount. So here Hannes got only, yes, 23,820 rupees. Okay, the amount Hannes got after 3 years is equal to 23,820. Okay, so here we have one more similar question. Okay, what is that question? Diya deposited 8,000 rupees in a bank which keeps 10% interest compounded annually. After 2 years, she withdrew 5,000 rupees. After 1 more year, how much would she have in her account? Okay, so Diya deposited 8,000 rupees in a bank, okay, which gives 10% interest compounded annually. So here P is equal to 8,000 rupees and R is equal to 10%. And here we have a confusion, that is after 2 years. So 2 years the bank gave compound interest on the amount 8,000 rupees at a rate of 10%. Okay, so after 2 years she withdrew 5,000 rupees from her account. Then the balance amount got, yes, again the balance amount get the same 10% interest for the next year also. Okay, then how much would she have in her account after 1 year? How much amount should she have in her account? So the amount Diya deposited is 8,000 rupees. So first we are going to write that P. Okay, so what is P here? Yes, P is equal to, yes, 8,000 rupees. P is equal to 8,000 rupees. And what is R here? Yes, R is equal to, what is the rate of interest here? That is equal to 10%. Okay, and first we can calculate the compound interest or the amount for first 2 years. Then she withdraws some amount from the account. Okay, so here what is, and first we are going to calculate the compound interest or the amount after 2 years. Okay, so n is equal to 2. Then what is our equation? Yes, our equation amount is equal to, yes, P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. So this is the equation. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n. Now we are going to substitute these values in the equation. Then we have A is equal to, yes, what is P? Yes, here P is equal to 8,000 into, yes, 8,000 into, yes, in bracket we have, yes, what is that? Yes, 1 plus, yes, 1 plus r by 100. Here what is r? R is equal to, yes, r is equal to 10 by 100. Okay, r is equal to 10, so by 100. Okay, which is raised to, yes, that raised to 2 is here n. Okay, so that raised to n, that is raised to 2. Okay, so 8000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to n. So as we did in the last question, how do we solve this? Yes, first 8000 into, yes, 8000 into, what about this section, that is 1 plus 10 by 100 using cross multiplication method. Here we can write, yes, here we can write what we are going to write here. Yes, what is 1 plus 10 by 100, so that is equal to, yes, 100. Yes, 100 plus, yes, 100 plus 10 by 100. Okay, 100 plus 10 by 100. Okay, so that is equal to 8000 into 100 plus 10 by 100 the whole square. So which is equal to, yes, amount A is equal to 8000 into what is 100 plus 10 by 100. 100 plus 10 by 100 is equal to, yes, 110 by 100 the whole square. Okay, 110 by 100 the whole square. What is 110? Okay, 110 by 100 the whole square. Okay, 110 by 100 the whole square. Then what is 110 by 100? Yes, 110 by 100. So here we have 2 zeros in the denominator, so move to, 2 places from right to left. So we have 1.10. Okay, 1.10, we can write that 1.1. Okay, 1.10 is actually 1.1. So 8000 into, yes, 8000 into what is 1.10? Yes, that is equal to 1.1 the whole square. Okay, 1.10 means that is 1.1 itself. So that is equal to 1.1 the whole square. And what about 1.1 whole square? Okay, 1.1 whole square is equal to, yes, amount A is equal to, yes, 8000 into 1.11 whole square is equal to 1.21. Okay, then 8000 into 1.21, let us calculate that. That is equal to, yes, amount is equal to 9680. 9680. So after 2 years she withdrawn an amount 5000 rupees from her account. Okay, so what is the balance amount after 2 years? The balance amount in her account after 2 years equal to balance after 2 years equal to balance after 2 years is equal to, balance after 2 years is equal to, yes, 9680 minus 5000. Okay, 9680 minus 5000 is equal to, yes, 4680. Okay, 4680. Then that year she got 10% interest on only 4680 rupees. So what will be the amount in that year? That is equal to, yes, the amount is equal to, yes, here what is P? P is equal to 4680. Okay, and which is equal to 4680 into, yes, we know that, here we know that 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 1. Okay, 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to n, but we know that 1 plus 10 by 100 is equal to 100 plus 10 by 100, that is equal to 1.1. Okay, so here we just write this. Okay, that is 1.1 raised to, yes, here we have only one value, so 1.1 raised to 1. Okay, 1.1 raised to 1, that is 4680 into 1.1 is the amount. So which is equal to This amount is equal to 4,680 into 1.1, that is equal to 5,148 rupees. So she in her account after the end at the end of the third year, 5,148 rupees is in her account. Okay. And here we have one more question. We have one more question, that is question: Varun took out a loan of 25,000 rupees from a bank which charges 11% interest compounded annually. He paid back 10,000 rupees after 2 years. Then how much should he pay after 1 more year to settle the loan? Okay, in Diya's question, the amount is deposited here, but in the case of Varun, he took a loan of 25,000 rupees. So, you can do the very same steps. Instead of P is equal to 25,000 and R is equal to 11%. Okay, and here she withdrew 5,000 rupees after 2 years, but he paid back 10,000 rupees after 2 years. Okay, so that is the only difference between Diya's question and this Varun's question. So do this Varun's question as a homework, and the next day we will continue with the next section of the chapter, changing times. Okay, so thank you.